Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore automations using Make.com, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore automations using Make.com, begin by logging into your Make.com account. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the Scenarios tab on the left side of the screen. Click on the Scenarios tab to view your existing automations. Identify the automation you want to restore. If the automation is archived, look for the Archived section. Click on the Archived section to view all archived automations. Find the specific automation you wish to restore. Hover over the automation to reveal additional options. Select the Restore button that appears. Confirm the restoration when prompted. The automation will now return to your active scenarios list. Next, click on the restored automation to open it. Review any necessary settings or changes within the automation. Ensure all connections and modules are configured correctly. Make any adjustments needed based on your current requirements. Once everything looks good, save your changes. To activate the automation, locate the on/off toggle switch. Flip the toggle switch to the on position. Your automation is now restored and ready to run. Periodically check back to ensure everything operates smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.